In today's video, we're going to tell you all about Tombstone RV Park in Tombstone, Arizona.
Walking tightrope, say the lightning, like how you I would swim across the ocean to hold on to you. I don't know where you've been, so right out of my head, a dream, swear you're made for me.
On our way to my sister's from Tennessee to Arizona, we decided we were going to hit the little town of Tombstone. So Randy found this Good Sam RV park. There's the office. The staff is phenomenal. They've been very helpful. They have all kinds of information on the town and what's going on. We didn't know if we were going to stay 2 nights. And so in order not to lose any money, they let us book 1 night and decide once we went into town if we wanted to stay a 2nd night, which I thought was great. So we didn't, lose any money, but we did decide to stay 2 nights, so it would have been fine anyway. This park here offers, I think there's about 75, 80 spots. They're a Good Sam park, so if you're a Good Sam member, you get a discount. As you can see, the sites are very spacious. It's adorable with the setup that they have going on. Oh, there's the hubby. And there's Woody and Gracie. Where are you going? To the dog park? Are you going to the dog park, buddy? Go do your business. Over here, you'll find that they have a heated swimming pool all year round. They have a rec center in this building, along with laundry and restrooms. Very clean, everything's very well kept. They also offer a horse parking, I guess you would say. They have stalls for the horses, or corrals, I guess you would call it. Most of their sites are pull-through. Over here you can see there's Miss Betty. We did have to put up our Starlight. The internet is touchy here. It does work, but it doesn't allow you to stream. And as she said, it's just touchy. We are out in a remote part of Arizona, so it doesn't really surprise me. We did think it was completely adorable that they've gone with the Tombstone theme. Each site is marked with a headstone. And as you can see down there, there's plenty of room. In the back, they have trails for hiking and horseback riding, I'm assuming. We did not get the bikes down. I don't want to shoot too much this way because the sun is too bright. But overall, we really enjoyed the park. The owners make an effort in keeping it nice. They escort you to your site. They offer fire rings if you're interested. You just have to let them know. And it's only 4 minutes, I believe, is what Google says, to town. We highly recommend staying here. If we come back, it's definitely where we'll stay. They have 4 cabins and what they call a cowboy motel, if you're interested. Over there, I apologize if the sunlight is too much. Campsite there, number 18 with a cover. Play yard for the kids. And cabins over there. The park offers 50 amp, 30 amp, water and electric, and almost all of their sites are pull-through. So that's our review on Tombstone RV Park in Tombstone, Arizona. It's located about 25 miles outside or off of I-10. We hope you enjoyed the review. If you did, you know what to do. Give us a thumbs up, click subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.